Hey guys, John Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're coming back to you with the carburetor body example. If you restore or rebuild or maintain anything in the world, no matter what it is, vapor honing is really good for one key thing in my book, and that is crack detection. There's a crack on this particular part here that you could not see before it was vapor honed. There were some potential areas that I could identify. For example, on this crusty, ugly part, there may be a crack here, but one of the best ways to expose a crack is using vapor honing. If you were to glass media, dry blast this item, what you're going to do is you're going to smudge the surface. You're actually going to cover up this crack potentially because you are moving the material many different ways and in many times masking that crack, which may need attention before you rebuild. Because this is where a butterfly valve goes. So obviously that's a very important item on this carburetor, so you don't want this part completely breaking. Could cause some catastrophic failure on the valve. But again, if it's a critical area, let's say it's an engine block or a cylinder head, those are critical areas where you need to identify cracks, and wet blast or vapor honing is really good for that. That's specifically what they use it in the aviation world for, is crack detection. Again, it does not smudge the surface. And one of the reasons that it does not smudge the surface is because the water and the abrasive is mixed together in one liquid, and it's flowing across the part. It's actually not hitting the part and damaging or, again, moving the surface metal. You can imagine a garden hose with liquid or abrasive suspended in it. That's about what we're doing here. This is not high pressure. This is not above 70 PSI. That's where we clean this part. Most people think it's thousands of PSI. It's not. This is very low pressure. Suspend the abrasive in the water and get this result and expose these cracks. So hopefully that was a helpful tidbit for you if you're on the fence about buying a vapor honing system. That is one more huge point in my book of why you need this system. And as always, if you have questions or concerns, give the sales team a call or shoot them an email. They are always here and happy to help. And as always, follow us on all of our social media outlets for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.